Hello everyone, myself Sachin. In this video, we are going to discuss about tree construction. I mean how we can construct the tree if pre-order, in-order and post-order sequences are given. If we talk about these two sequences, I mean in order with pre-order and in order with post-order, from these two sequences, we can construct the tree. Why these two sequences are required? If we talk about the in order, then from the in order, we can find out the left subtree and right subtree if root is given. Because in order sequence is left subtree, then root, then right subtree. I mean if root is given, then we can easily find out left value from the root is left subtree, right value from the root is right subtree. If we talk about the pre-order, then in pre-order we have first value is root, then left, then right. I mean from the pre-order sequence, first value is the root. If similarly, if we talk about the post order sequence, then post order sequence is given left, right and root. I mean last value from the post order is always the root. So if we observe from pre-order and post-order, we can find out the root, and from the in-order we can find out the left subtree and right subtree. Therefore, we need either in-order with pre-order or in-order with post-order. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel. Also like, share and comment the video. If we talk about here these two sequences, say in order and post order are given, how we can construct the tree? Initially we have to refer the our post order sequence, and our post order sequence last value is the b. Therefore b is the our root, because whatever the last value of the post order, this is always the root. I mean we have find out the root. After finding the root, we have to refer in order sequence, and in order sequence b is here root. Whatever the left values are k, l, e and f. Therefore k, l, e and f are left subtree. And similarly here right subtree is here our g, c, m, h, I, j, d. This is here our right subtree. After finding the left subtree and right subtree, we have to find out the root of the left subtree. Left subtree is here K, L, E, F. We have to refer post order sequence of K, L, E, F. This is here L, K, F, E. So therefore E is the last value of K, L, E, F sequence, and we have here is the root, because in the post order last value is always the root. We have determined here root. After finding the root, further we have to refer in order sequence, and in order sequence is here our K, L, F, and we have here K, L, E, F, and E is here our root. Therefore left value is here KL and right value is here our F. I mean F is the right child and KL are here, KL is here left child. After finding the further left child, we have to find out the root of the left subtree, I mean root of the KL. So further we have to refer our post order sequence. Post order sequence is here KL. I mean last value is the K. Therefore K is the root. Further we have to refer our in order KL, and if K is the root and we are getting L in the right hand side of K, therefore L is here right child of K. And we have explored, we have find out the every node of the left subtree. Now same working we have to do for the right subtree. In the right subtree we have here values, nodes are G, C, M, H, I, J, D. Further we have to refer our post order, and in the post order we are getting here our last value is here our in the post order, this is here C, and C is here our root, and after finding the root we have to find out the left subtree and right subtree. So if C is the root, in the root and in the left hand side value is here G only, and in the right hand side we have here M, H, I, J and D. We have find out here right subtree, we have find out here left subtree. Further, we have to find out the root of the right subtree. I mean, we have to see M, H, I, J, D in the post order, and M, H, I, J, D. Okay, and D is here our rightmost value of the sequence. Therefore, D is the root. And after finding the root, we have to find out the left subtree and right subtree. D is here our last value, and whatever is the MHIJ in the left hand side of D, therefore left child is here MHIJ. No right child exists because there is no element in the right hand side of D. And after getting MHIJ, we have to find out the root of MHI and J. And here we have M, J, I, H, and H is here our right value, rightmost value. So further H is here our root, and further we have to refer left subtree and MHIJ, and H is here our root, left hand side is here M. So we have find out the left child, and similarly right child is here I and J. I and J is here right child. Now further we have to find out the root of I and J. We have to refer post order sequence. This is here I is the last value, therefore I is the root of the this particular subtree. I is the root, and we have to further refer in order sequence ij, and here if we observe our I is the root and we are getting the j in the right hand side of I, therefore j is here our right child of I. So in this way we can construct the complete tree from in order and post order sequences. Similarly, in order with pre-order is given, same algorithm we are using here. I mean, from the in order we are getting the left child and right child, and from the pre-order we are getting the root only. I mean, first value is the root, we have find out the root, this is the root, and we have to refer in order. In order is here, say B is the root, left child is here KLEF, KLEF is the right left child, and similarly right child is GCMHIJD, GCMHIJD. Further we have to refer KLEF from pre-order, KLEF, and first value is here E, therefore E is the root, and we have to refer in order from KLEF, KLEF, and E is the root, therefore left value is here KL and right value is here our F. We have marked KL and F. Now we have to refer pre-order for K and L. K and L, first value is the root, therefore we have find out the root K. Further we have to refer our in order sequence KL. If K is the root and right value is always the right subtree, and we have marked L in the right hand side of K. Same job we have to do for right subtree. I mean GCMHIJD, we have to refer pre-order sequence GCMHIJD. So therefore first value is here C, I mean C is the root. After finding the root C, we have to refer our left subtree. Left subtree is here G only, and right subtree is here MHIJD. GMHIJD. Now we have to find out the root of MHIJD. Further we have to refer pre-order, and pre-order is here MHIJD. I mean first value is here our in the pre-order sequence MHIJ, and in the MHIJ first value is here our H only, and therefore H is here our root. We have find out here root, and after finding the H root we have to find out the left subtree. Left subtree is M, right subtree is here IJD, and after left subtree is here only IJ because D already we have find out here. And after finding IJ, now we have to refer pre-order sequence. Pre-order sequence is IJ, I is here our root, we have find out the root I. After finding this root, we have to refer in order sequence. In order sequence is here IJ, I mean I is the root, and J is here our right subtree. So in this way we can construct the tree. Thanking you.